We got one classy ride today, a 1955 Chevrolet 210 model, been body off frame, rotisserie custom restored, has an LS1 Corvette motor under the hood, full leather interior. I mean wall to wall leather with custom seats and console and all the upgrades underneath, air conditioned of course, all the goodies. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a nice car. I think the colors, the stance, I think the fact that they kept a lot of the original features like the trim and but gave it that modern flair is just a nice combination of the two. And it's a quality job. The fit and finish is excellent. The hood, the fender, the lines, all this is great. All lines up beautifully. No rust or bubbles or damage or anything like that. It's all nice and flush. Shuts like a new car. Quarter panels are excellent. All down and around here. Everything looks really good. The trunk itself, a lot of times they're all banged up along the bottom. There's no chips on this one. It's all nice and straight, all clean. They removed the license plate bracket, moved it to the bumper. All this is looking real nice, clean, all straight, no rust, nothing like that. All this is clean down here at the bottoms. This door fits just as nice as the other side, all square and flush. Shuts real nicely. The roof is all straight. The car is absolutely straight. Clean from the rockers to the roof. Now the front is like a burgundy. It does have little tiny metallic in it. It's very beautiful color. I see a tiny little touch up there. So it'll be insignificant flaws. If you look real close, you probably find a few. And then the back is like a dark fawn metallic color. The two just work really well. I just keep thinking it's classy, it's rich. All of the trim has either been replaced or restored. The bumpers, the grille, the emblems, the bird, all the trim is sparkling, beautiful. LED lights throughout. The headlights, the lights down here, I think there'd be the turn signals, and the tail lights and even the reverse lights, all LED. But again, all the trim, the rubber, the gaskets, and it's loaded up with some of the factory accessories. This molding would be an option. Passenger mirror is an option. The fingernail protectors, that's an option. You might have noticed the smoked glass, not a stick-on tint, but it's all smoked glass, was all replaced. This is a Nomad bumper that has the license plate down here instead of up here. So that's just a nicer look in a lot of people's opinion, including mine. This is all sparkling. Again, it's LED. They light up nice and bright. This trim around the fuel door, that was an option back then. So again, they incorporated some of the original stuff with the modern flair, like the big wheels. They're 18-inch chrome Boss wheels in front, 20s in back, got a great stance, and they're wearing Nitto performance tires. How about we open it up? You're gonna love the interior. Has a beautiful trunk. I'm sure you'll be impressed. And I also didn't mention they've added a third brake light here in the Chevy emblem, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Underneath, completely upholstered. This is soft leather, even the hinge. And then you can see it's all boxed and it's all leather. And this is done real nicely. You see the blue LED light. You see this nice trim. That's all real cool stuff. This actually lifts up and slides out, and the battery's behind there, and you have some more space. Carpet, just like on the interior, but that's a nice looking trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. The jambs are painted real nice and slick. The weather strips are all replaced. And that's a full-blown, genuine leather. When I say leather, I don't mean vinyl, I mean leather. Interior with the custom molded door panels, real nice handles, nice armrests, some nice trim that hides the speakers. And then all wrapped in leather. The dash, the trim, all the way around the windshield is all leather. Complete billet polished panels. Has some nice classic looking gauges. 8,500 miles on the car since it's been done, so it's a turnkey get in and drive. The controls look original, but they're actually vintage air. Those would be electric instead of cables. Nice chrome vents. The clock matches the gauges. And it's boxed and upholstered all the way underneath both sides. There's speakers under there. Kick panels are done nice. Beautiful carpet and matching mats. And then check out this console here. And it all feels so soft. It's nice leather. Touch screen stereo with Bluetooth. You got the automatic shifter, power windows, cup holders. And this lights up blue. There's LED lights in the cup holders when you turn the lights on. This goes all the way to the back. Nice leather seats, very comfortable seats. They're power. And then there's also some manual controls there. And then in back, they said the console extends all the way to the back. Cup holders for the people in the back seat. Seat belts, all leather, wall-to-wall leather. Comfortable, beautiful, really well kept. And look at all the trim. Again, it's all leather. That's the antenna right there. They took the antenna off the body for a clean look. And then the rear shelf is a custom molded shelf with the speakers behind it. And then check out this pretty fancy headliner. It's all embossed and has nice texture. It has an LED light down the middle. And it has a microphone for the hands-free stereo. So very nice interior. Beautiful polished tilt column. A color matched a custom steering wheel. It's a tilt. Of course, all new wiring and fuse panel. God, what a nice interior. This is killer. Check out that engine compartment. That's an LS1 from Street and Performance. It's making at least 350 horsepower. It's painted the colors of the car. And the whole front of the motor is dressed up with polished parts. LS1 air cleaner. We got the brackets and pulleys and AC compressor. We got a set of coated headers. The whole firewall is custom. It's been smoothed out real nice. Beautiful billet hinges. They function nice and look great. All painted real nice. Complete radiator support. Looks like it's all stainless or aluminum. I think it's stainless. It's polished with the really nice match set radiator and condenser. And then we have a chrome power steering down there and chrome one-wire alternator, chrome power brakes, upgraded Newport Engineering wiper system. But it's just a very clean, neat installation, show quality. But again, this is a turnkey get in and drive car, which Michael's going to do for you right now, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Hey, we got a nice car here. Real cruiser, I tell you. It's got a fuel-injected LS1 underneath the hood, and it's paired with a 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission. Get in, take the long way to the next car show, jump on the highway, and just cruise until your heart is content. That's what this one is made to do. And I tell you, you're going to want to spend more time in it too after you sit in this custom interior, which is just absolutely gorgeous and absolutely comfortable as well. It's got power seats here, real leather as well, genuine leather, mile-long center console, cup holders. It's got power windows, power steering, power disc brakes. I mean, this one's just really, really done up. Rotisserie restoration. Definitely get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. It's just awfully impressive. Turned the key, she fired right up. Wants to run. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah. And just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issue. Wow. Tremendous. Everything that you could ever whatever you expected this car to do, it does it well. It makes me happy just to go ahead and just accelerate like that, knowing that we're in such a beautiful kind of show quality classic. And it performs, you know? Tilt column on here. We have air conditioning. I just popped the window. It's such a nice day. Air conditioning does work. It's got this nice touchscreen radio here. Come on, guys. Test drive it for yourself. It's a great experience. And check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So this is a body off frame rotisserie restoration. They took the body, literally flipped it on a rotisserie. The underbody is pristine metal, all painted the same beautiful glossy color. Apologize about the noise. They decided to put gutters on the building. And if you might have noticed, the color of the interior matches this color right here. They're color matched together. So up front, all the steering and suspension was rebuilt. It's upgraded with gas shocks. In back, it has relocated leaf springs. They are moved inward to make room for the big wide tires and wheels. And it has gas shocks and lowering blocks in the back. Brake system was all replaced, and it's disked at all four wheels. They're drilled and slotted in the front. Complete stainless steel exhaust system going all the way out, coming out right behind the tire actually. The fuel system was replaced. Now you look up at the motor, it's painted this color, just like it is on top. Aluminum oil pan, you know, it's an LS motor with a high torque starter. It's a 4L80E electronic overdrive automatic transmission, also painted the burgundy color. Custom drive shaft goes back to a 10-bolt rear end with a chrome cover. So it's as nice under there as the whole rest of the car. This is one of those rare occasions, the closer I look, the more I like and appreciate this car. This is a nice build. Ready for show, ready for go, ready for you to go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman, they'll help answer your questions, including how to get your 55 delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. I'm telling you, this is a good one. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching.